products in hand, another big haul. Don't waste your money. Let me. It's almost like oh, it is a mirror. I was like, do I need it though? Do I need it though? And I mean, I don't, but I got it anyways. That bronzy, the juicy, hydrating, dewy, like very natural second skin like. Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today is going to be part 2 of my Sephora spring savings event haul. If you missed my first half, my part 1, I will link it down below. It'll also be up here in the cards. So I explained in that video that I had planned to do it all in one big video, but I had some issues with one of my orders that I placed. It ended up, I think, getting lost because honestly, it was like almost 3 weeks after I ordered it and I still hadn't received it. Plus the tracking was like, there was like no information. It was like, we'll let you know when it arrives at Canada Post. I'm like, it's like almost 3 weeks later. So I called Sephora. They ended up reshipping me the products. There's only one product that unfortunately was out of stock. So I will let you know what that is. And then when I receive it, I will do a review on it. So that's the only thing that I can't show you physically today, but that's okay. We got the rest of it. We're good. We are here. Part 2, products in hand, another big haul. And I am so pumped about these products. So let's just dive right in. Again, don't forget to head over to the first part of my haul, as not only I have a huge package of products. I got quite a few things in the first haul that are really exciting and I was very excited to share with you, but also I have a giveaway that I announced in that video. So if you want to enter for some free makeup, which is international, by the way, everybody's welcome, then go ahead and click the link down below. It'll all be in the description box down below on how to enter. So don't forget to check that out as well. But today, let's talk about this fun and exciting new makeup. So the first product that we have, I am so beyond pumped about this. It is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2 palette. This is the Rose palette by Patrick Ta. This was launched, I believe, on April 1st. I actually was like, it's expensive, you know, it's an expensive product. So I was like, do I need it though? Do I need it though? And I mean, I don't, but I got it anyways and I do not regret it because once I opened it, I had a little sneak peek. I was like, this is stunning. The only reason I debated whether I wanted to purchase or not is because when I looked at the picture online, it looked very similar to the first one, but when you actually look at the actual colors, it definitely differs quite a bit. So I'm really excited. And the initial Patrick Ta palette was one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes I tested last year. Loved it. So this is the packaging. It's very similar to the first one. It has that very reflective rose gold. It's almost like oh, it is a mirror. I didn't even notice that until now. I thought, so it's a little different because the first one wasn't that. It wasn't, you can literally, like I can see myself. Cool. And then it has like a rose gold metallic border. So it is actually a little bit different, but similar to the initial packaging in the grand scheme of things. And then this is the actual palette. Can we take a moment for it? Like how beautiful. So number 1, it comes with the 2 creams under this little plastic casing to keep them safe and clean. They are more rosy tones. So at first I'm like, they look the same, but they're actually quite a bit different, I think. They definitely look a little less warm toned. Hopefully when I swatch them, they will be. Because the first palette had a lot of warm tones. This looks a lot more cool toned. And then as you can see, especially these 3 right here are really rosy. And then the other 2 look a little more on the brown side, but still like rosy undertone. So it's very rose themed. The metallics, again, it's the mattes on the bottom, matching metallics on the top, and the metallics look to die for. Can we give one of them a swatch? We'll just do one. This middle one is calling my name. It looks like it's going to be like a duochrome, which I don't think we had. Ooh, wowza. That's beautiful. Yeah, I don't regret this purchase at all, but I will give it a good review for you guys, so stay tuned for that. I also got the MAC Stack. So this is the viral mascara all over TikTok. I did get the mini because I'm a little skeptical. When you look at the picture, like one of the advertising photos, it looks like the clumpiest mascara you've ever seen in your life. And I'm like, why would I want this? And then I was seeing everybody on TikTok reviewing it, and I was like, well, all right, it sounds like it's like the best mascara ever. So we're gonna give it a shot. Oh yeah, and the other thing I really liked about it is it comes in 2 different options. So obviously you can get the mini, but it comes with 2 different brush options. So you can get the Mega brush, which is like the larger brush. It's like gonna be the most volume, the most dramatic effect, but they also have like a minier brush, like a thinner brush. And I think that would be more ideal for really short lashes or like bottom lashes. So it's a smaller brush. So that's cool for people that don't like the big ones. It's a bigger brush for instant volume at first swipe. Keep stacking the weightless formula for limitless clump-free volume. So it says clump-free. This is the packaging. I do really like the packaging on this. Super cute. Let's see the wand because I haven't seen it in person. Okay, yeah, I have similar ones, and I think the ones that I have that are similar I do like. So yeah, I mean, I like other MAC mascaras. Hopefully this one will turn out to be a hit as well. So I'm excited to try it. I'm excited to give it a chance. We also have the Huda Beauty Cheeky Tint. So in my first haul, I did mention I got the brush. These were supposed to come in the same order, but they did not. So I finally got this, a cream blush stick by Huda Beauty, brand new. It's a beautifully buildable cream blush that melts into the skin, gliding seamlessly over the complexion with a dewy hint of tint for major second skin vibes and a juicy glow. So a lot of the products that I'm seeing coming out are, you know, that bronzy, the juicy, hydrating, dewy, like very natural second skin like, and all of that is screaming summer to me. So it's getting me really, really excited. I feel like this is something, if it turns out to be good, would be a go-to for the summer because it's supposed to be very, you know, natural looking and that like from within color. This is the actual packaging. I believe the actual color of the tube goes with the color that you get, which I really, really like. I believe, yes, it does. And so it looks almost like metallic-y. So I'm very curious to see how this turns out. Oh, and it definitely has like a sheen to it, almost kind of a shimmer, but not glitter. But that is very pigmented too. Like, do you see that? It's like almost metallic-y. I'm curious to see how that will actually look on the skin. Now this is making me, okay, some of the glitter from the eyeshadow is now in it, so I kind of messed that up. But if you want to see how that turns out and how it actually wears, then go ahead, subscribe, stay tuned for these. All these products will be reviewed. I also got the Givenchy Prism Libre Skin Caring Matte Foundation. I've never purchased anything from Givenchy, and I am so excited. I was like, this is the time. When you have 20% off, this is the time to get something from Givenchy. I just feel like so fancy even just saying it. They came out with the Givenchy Skin Caring Glow Foundation. I forget when, but that was a previous launch. This is the new foundation from Givenchy. So it is the Skin Caring Matte Foundation. It is a skincare infused, long-lasting matte foundation that's lightweight and natural while blurring and addressing imperfections for up to 24 hours. Really clean formula, and it's supposed to reduce the appearance of pores while addressing imperfections, mattifying, but also hydrating. So sounds incredible. Let's actually test it out. I can't wait. I'm really hoping it turns out to be good because this is a $62 foundation. But look at it, just looks so luxe. It looks so beautiful. It has the nice frosted actual glass. And I got the shade 1N80, which I believe, was that the lightest shade? Yes, it's ultra fair with neutral undertones. Okay, I think the shade is gonna be good. It's definitely a lighter shade for me, but wow, I made a mess of this. Okay, I'll clean that up after. So that's the actual shade, but when I put it up to my neck, it looks like it'll be all right. Plus, like I can bronze myself up too. Yeah, it's definitely light, but you never know with fair and ultra fair. It has the nice like high-end smell. I mean, I guess some people don't like fragrance in their makeup. I just love the smell of like Chanel and like Dior. They always smell so good. And this has that kind of very light floral scent that's so like high-end. The next product is the Tarte C Power Flex Antioxidant Concealer. So I tried their serum foundation, loved it. It's almost like a skin tint. Really, really long wearing and beautiful on the skin. And I did get the mini of this because I just have so many concealers. So I'm like, we'll just try this out before we go ahead with the full purchase. It's a skincare powered, smoothing and brightening full coverage concealer that delivers 24-hour hydration, moves with your skin so it won't cake and crease. It has a matte finish, blurs and brightens dark under eye circles, feels like an eye cream with up to 24-hour hydration. It's waterproof, crease-proof, sweat-proof, and dermatologist tested. It's vegan. So I like the Tarte C foundation, and I do like it for the fact that it's lighter coverage. Like I can only really build it up to like a good medium. But it's so like natural on the skin, and so I really, really like that. But I did like the idea that this is full coverage because I am more of a full coverage girl, being acne prone and I have a lot of redness in my skin. So I am very excited to see how this turns out. This is in the shade 12N, which is fair neutral. That looks really nice and lightweight on the skin. See, and now that foundation sat for a bit, it doesn't look so light. All of these products that I got honestly have the most incredible claims, so how could you not try it out, you know? I got a restock of my Inky List Omega Water Cream. I started using a different moisturizer and like I liked it, it's okay, but I just like I needed this back. It's so cheap. It's like $12 and it's at Sephora. And I think that honestly anybody could use it, and it's really safe for like oily, sensitive, acne prone skin. And then I also got from the Inky List the new Mandelic Acid treatment, supposed to help reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation and discoloration. So this is supposed to be for acne scarring, or really any scarring or any type of spot that you want to try to fade. So hopefully that can help. I mean, honestly, my skin's been pretty clear, but I still get some blemishes. Like I have one down here that hopefully is going to go away soon. And if it does end up leaving a scar, which I am very prone to scarring on my face, like typically if I have a blemish, even if it's gone, it looks like it's still there for at least a couple weeks. So hopefully this can help keep it more even and fade those a little bit, lighten them, keep my skin looking nice and clear. I love having clear skin in the summer because I am more prone to like lighter makeup, or like, especially on a day if I'm not recording, if I'm not going anywhere and I'm just hanging out with my son in the backyard, I'm not going to put makeup on. So I like to have like clear skin because, well, who doesn't? But especially in the summer, because I just feel like you're outside more and you go out more. And so I want to like feel good about like the no makeup days. So yeah. I also forgot to mention the product that I'm waiting to come back in stock, and that is the Dior Backstage Concealer. This is a brand new formula that is supposed to be the matching concealer to the Holy Grail Backstage Face and Body Foundation by Dior. So I am super, super pumped to see how this one turns out once I'm able to get my hands on it. That is everything for today. Don't forget to go over to the other part 1 and see what else I got, and also enter into the giveaway. If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all these beautiful products reviewed and tested, so that you guys don't have to purchase them in case they don't turn out, because I actually have tested a few from my last haul and not everything has turned out so far. So don't waste your money. Let me. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.